Alright, so we got a problem here with the broken water line. You can see it broke right at the T here. It's kind of rusted off, so we're gonna replace it with some plastic pipe or some of that plastic flexible water. And then hopefully we don't have those same troubles. It's just that piece up to this union here. And hopefully get her fixed up so we have water to this side of the barn. We took the drinking cup loose and we're just taking that out of the T here. And then we'll get that off and try to get the T off without taking the rest of that broken pipe off, but if we do, then we'll have to just put a new T in. It's possible it's broken enough that it won't come loose in that T, so we'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Alright, so we were actually lucky here. It's coming loose without breaking the inside of that pipe, so it'll save us the price of a new T. So we got that off, and then we'll try to get this union broke. Well, this doesn't happen very often, but we had some good luck. We were able to get the pipe loose from the union. So all we got to do now is put the nipple in there that connects the hose to it after we get the rest of this pipe loose, and we'll be able to put it back together. So we can see that this one is just a silver adapter, a nipple that goes in the hose, but of course they were out of the cheap ones and we have to get the brass one. This is like a gas rated one, and I think the silver chrome plated ones are about $5 and this one's about $15, but it's kind of one of those things where you need water for the cows, so we're going to spend a little more money and put it together. But so here we are back on this side. We're gonna go get some thread tape and we'll put it on this nipple and we will slide that right in there. And we'll be ready to run our hose and get our drinking cup hooked back up. Alright, so we got the drinking cup mounted again and we got the nipple put on. We got the hose on this end, and the way we get this hose on, it's really tight, is to dip it in really hot water and wait for it to get nice and pliable, and then we slide it over the nipple. Otherwise it's really hard to do. Alright, so we got the new hose on and it slid over the hose barb quite a ways, so now we just got to tighten up these hose clamps just to make sure everything stays in place, and then we'll turn on the water and hopefully we don't have a bunch of water spraying everywhere like we did last time the water was on. Alright, everything's tightened up and we're gonna turn on the water and see how things go. I don't see any leaks, so that's good here. Let's see if the drinking cups are working. There we go. That one's good. Looks like we're all ready to go. Cows should get water now. So you might be wondering why we're using this hose instead of the galvanized pipe that we'd always used before. And the reason is this is a lot easier to fix and it doesn't rust, of course. And the other thing is cows are always pushing on these stanchions here, and everything flexes, and if it starts to get rusty, the hose doesn't get rusty, but when the pipe gets rusty and everything, they keep pushing on it and it flexes a little bit, pretty soon you come up to the barn and you got a puddle everywhere. So we are making sure to switch over to this pipe, this plastic rubber pipe that's reinforced, and it seems to be working a lot better, but I guess time will tell. So anyway, until something else breaks, we'll see you later.